India's Chief of Defence Staff has issued directions to prepare a roadmap by the 30th of June 2020 for creating India's first air defence command to enhance aerial security. He also proposed to create common logistics support pools in stations where two or more services have their presence. The Indian Army and Navy should share their logistics in Mumbai in order to avoid duplication and save resources. He also added that unnecessary ceremonial activities which are manpower intensive also needs to be stopped. According to latest media reports, the Indian Navy has equipped indigenously developed combat systems on its amphibious ship. The Revati radar developed by Bharat Electronics have been installed in place of the legacy SPS-40 air search radar system, along with indigenous naval decoy launchers and electro-optical fire control directors for AK-630. With an aim to boost India's tactical and strategic defense capabilities, Prime Minister Modi has launched 5 new DRDO Young Scientists laboratories, which will specialize in the areas of futuristic technologies, including artificial intelligence, quantum technologies, cognitive technologies, asymmetric technologies and smart materials. Hindustan Aeronautics and Wipro 3D have signed a memorandum of understanding to design, develop, manufacture and repair aerospace components using metal additive manufacturing, including maintenance, repair and overhaul of certain components. Metal additive manufacturing offers the possibility to produce complex parts, and metal additive manufacturing is gaining prominence among sectors such as defense, aerospace and automobile products. China's JF-17 Block 3 fighter jet with upgraded combat capabilities had made its first flight in December 2019, and as per latest media reports, Pakistan is set to induct the first batch in 2020, and all 50 planned JF-17 Block 3 fighter jets are expected to be inducted by 2024. The Block 3 version also features technologies from China's J-20 fifth-generation fighter jet, including a large holographic wide-angle heads-up display, an integrated cockpit display, and an advanced infrared missile approach warning system of the J-20.